In this exercise, we clone part of one clip onto a second clip. You've been viewing the original clip. Here's the clip with the clone applied. This exercise uses a Wacom pressure-sensitive tablet. While not required, Paint is more powerful with a tablet. To begin, set the timeline duration to 2 seconds. Set the Animate Static Mode button beneath the Controls window to Static Mode. Import the movie clip sur103.move. In the Controls window, set the Fields menu to None. Close up the movie track and deselect it. Import the movie clip dsf102.move. In the Controls window, set the Fields menu to None. Close up the movie track and deselect it. In the timeline, the DSF102 clip should be above the SUR103 clip. Now, click the Paint button to apply a paint filter. The Paint Filter track automatically reveals the paint path track and the paint parameters display in the Controls window. Choose Clone from the Brush Type menu. Set the Clone From menu to Other Image and the Align Source menu to Aligned. Set the Opacity Modulation menu to Pressure with Opacity Alt set to 0 and Opacity set to 100. Set the Size Modulation menu to Pressure with Size Alt set to 10 and Size set to 100. Leave the other parameters at their defaults. Select the SUR103.move track. In the Controls window, set Scale X and Y to 60. Drag the SUR103 clip onto the brush image subtrack of the paint filter. This sets it as the clone source. In the media subtrack of the brush image track, click on the track visibility icon. This disables the default media. Select the paint path track. Now, hold down the Option or Alt key and move the cursor to the composite window. Click on the left edge of the surfing footage with the crosshairs to set the clone source point. Begin to paint the surfers onto the lower left corner of the bridge clip. Vary the pen pressure as necessary and use as many brush strokes as you need. Some parts of the clone have spilled onto the bridge. In the Controls window, set the Brush Type menu to Eraser. Set the Eraser Mode menu to Strokes Only. Set Size to 50. Erase over the clone section to remove any of the unwanted clone. Play the composition. Stop playback. Now, we'll slip the surfing footage in the composition. Open the SUR103.move track and select its face track. In the Controls window, set the start time to -8 seconds and 20 frames. Now, play the clip using Preview to RAM to view the final result. A complete explanation of the paint filter can be found in the online knowledge base on the Boris Effects website or in the electronic help system included with RED.